Have you ever noticed gunk accumulating on your cabinets? For this, you'll need 1 tablespoon of your favorite dish soap, 2 cups of warm water, and 1 cup of vinegar. Pour 1 cup of vinegar into a mixing bowl. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant. Next, add 2 cups of warm water. The heat helps dissolve the dirt and grime. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap for extra cleaning power. Stir it all together. Your gentle yet effective cabinet cleaner is ready. Apply the cleaner to your cabinets and wipe away the grime for spotless results. Wow, we've done it! We've made our homes sparkle with all natural homemade cleaners. Thanks for joining us on this green cleaning journey. If you love these DIY cleaning tips, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of natural cleaning with cheap, effective ingredients. We'd love to hear how these cleaners worked for you. Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching. Keep living clean and green, and we'll see you in the next one.